Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have your school account details and the Teams app installed. This speeds the login. Open the app, choose Sign In, and enter your school email exactly as issued. Once done, Teams will redirect you to your campus sign-in page. This is normal because your school controls authentication. Make sure to allow any single sign-on prompts. They link your device to school services. Without them, you may be blocked from classroom resources. After entering your password, you may need to complete multi-factor authentication. Use your phone, app, or a campus token as required. This step confirms it's really you, protecting student data. Next, allow Teams access to your calendar and notifications so class invites and alerts arrive on time. If you see multiple organizations listed, pick your school. Choosing the wrong one prevents access to class teams and files. Take a breath and confirm. Finally, confirm you can access classes, assignments, and files. These indicate a successful login and proper permissions. If Teams signs you into a personal account, sign out, then sign in again choosing work or school account. Clear the app cache or browser cookies if login loops persist. If problems remain, contact your IT help desk with your student ID and a screenshot of the error. They can reset your account or verify enrollment. One troubleshooting tip: restart the device after cache clear. It often
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.